I'm Brian Gillette. I'm an emergency medicine physician that has directed a simulation center in the New York area for about 15 years. And over the tenure of my directorships, I developed some software to fill in gaps where other systems that we had in place to manage our simulation center, develop content, and serve it to our learners were lacking. SimCore is really the evolution of software that I developed as more of an academic endeavor over the last decade and a half to facilitate our craft. The software, it falls out into two broad categories: simulation center management and scenario development and serving of that content to the learners. And those are the two domains that this software solves. For management, it is a full-featured platform that can generate robust reports, such as center utilization by department. You can see content categories. To what extent are we simulating infectious disease content versus traumatic content, for example. You can even capture your technician hours, your staff resources. How many hours are we spending on instructors and Confederates? We can take a look at, these are just some of the highlights of the software. We can take a look at the percent of the time that we're using a mannequin. So for example, during January, we used the MediMan, only 4 times out of 23. This is all demo server, for example. So there's a robust reporting component and a full-featured scheduler. And then we have a custom, sort of standardized approach to developing content. That over the years we've developed a wizard so that our faculty, faculty creating simulation using this tool are adhering to what you feel is a best practice. So if you have a template that you always use, you can customize a scenario builder. Their learners will progress through these. The instructors will actually progress through these tabs, enter in content, and that content now becomes available to serve in real time to your learners in the simulation lab.